This is a hoopoe bird. Hoopoe is the national bird of Israel. They are famous for their crown-shaped feathers on head. The scientific name of Hoopoe Bird is Eupupity. The food of hoopoe birds are insects, small reptiles, and seeds. Their sounds are so sweet. Hoopoe birds are native of grasslands, savannas, woodlands of Europe, Asia, Africa, and Madagascar. Hoopoe bird's back is black, long, and slightly downward curved. Their eyes are small, round, and brown in color. Their short legs and feet are gray. Hoopoe live in open, bushy regions and riverine. These birds nest in cavities, such as holes or crevices, in tree trunks. However, they have also been known to nests, nest box, piles of boulders, and even under houses. They may use the same nest for many years. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.